Looking for a reliable and feature-rich Forex broker to take your trading to the next level? In this video, we're taking a closer look at HYCM to find out if it's the right trading partner for your trading journey. Be sure to like and subscribe to our videos for future content, as it greatly supports the channel. Let's dive straight into it. HYCM is a well-established and multi-regulated online broker with over 40 years of experience in the trading industry. The broker provides access to a wide range of financial markets, giving traders plenty of opportunities to diversify their portfolios. HYCM is known for offering competitive trading conditions, such as ultra-tight spreads starting from as low as 0.1 pips, fast order execution, and a low minimum deposit requirement of just $20. Traders can choose between fixed or variable spreads depending on their trading strategy, and swap-free accounts are also available for eligible clients. The broker supports popular trading platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5, and the broker is well regulated, ensuring a high level of transparency and trust for traders worldwide. In addition to its solid trading environment, HYCM provides several useful tools and resources, including an economic calendar, trading calculators, and partnerships with analytical services like SeasonX and Financial Source. The broker stands out as a reliable and experienced broker that combines advanced trading technology, strong regulation, and a trader-focused approach, making it an appealing option for both beginners and seasoned traders alike. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments designed to suit different trading styles and strategies. Traders can access the global Forex market with a wide selection of major, minor, and exotic currency pairs available, with spreads starting from as low as 0.1 pips. For those looking to diversify beyond currencies, HYCM also provides CFDs on stocks, allowing traders to speculate on the price movements of leading global companies without owning the underlying asset. The broker further expands its offerings with CFDs on global indices, giving clients exposure to major markets such as the S&P 500, FTSE 100, and DAX 30. Additionally, the broker offers commodities trading, covering popular assets like gold, silver, oil, and natural gas, enabling traders to hedge or diversify their portfolios with tangible market exposure. For those interested in digital assets, HYCM provides cryptocurrency CFDs on major coins such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Litecoin, allowing traders to take advantage of crypto market volatility without needing a digital wallet. Altogether, the broker's extensive product range ensures traders have access to a well-balanced mix of traditional and modern markets, all through one trusted platform. HYCM is a multi-regulated broker committed to maintaining transparency and client protection across its global operations. The company operates under several regulatory bodies, including the UK's Financial Conduct Authority and the Dubai Financial Services Authority. These licenses ensure that HYCM follows strict financial and operational standards designed to protect traders. Client funds are kept in segregated accounts with Tier 1 banks, ensuring they remain separate from the company's operational funds, while negative balance protection safeguards clients from losing more than their deposited capital. HYCM also upholds strong compliance measures, including full KYC verification and regular independent audits to maintain financial integrity. With its long-standing regulatory history and robust security framework, HYCM demonstrates a clear commitment to providing a safe and transparent trading environment. The broker offers several promotional incentives, primarily aimed at attracting new clients and referring others. One of their key promotions is a deposit bonus, where new traders can receive a percentage bonus on their first deposit, for example a 10% bonus up to a certain cap. In addition, there's a referral program where existing clients who refer someone who opens a live account and meets deposit and trading volume conditions can earn cash rewards. It's important to note that the bonus amounts themselves generally cannot be withdrawn directly. They're meant to boost trading power. Withdrawal of profits or partial funds may require meeting certain trading volume or lot size conditions. Also, promotions like these are often restricted by jurisdictions and are subject to full terms and conditions. HYCM provides multiple platform options to accommodate different trader preferences. First is the widely used MetaTrader 4 and 5 platforms, both of which are available as desktop, mobile, and web terminals. MetaTrader 5 is more feature-rich, supporting 21 timeframes, 6 types of pending orders, an integrated economic calendar, and enhanced tools for fundamental and technical analysis. MetaTrader 4 remains popular for its stability, large community, and compatibility with expert advisors for automated trading. In addition to MetaTrader 4 and 5, the broker offers their own mobile application called the HYCM Trader. It delivers a clean, user-friendly design, lets you trade over 300 instruments depending on location, manage accounts, set price alerts, view charts with technical indicators, and deposit or withdraw funds directly within the application. There's also a WebTrader web terminal version of MetaTrader 4 and 5, which means you can trade via browser without installing software. Overall, the broker gives traders flexibility, whether you prefer the legacy, powerful MetaTrader 4 environment, the upgraded toolset in MetaTrader 5, or a modern mobile application with all-in-one features. Traders also have access to Trading Central, which is a powerful analytics suite integrated with MetaTrader 4 that delivers insights, trend analysis, as well as key support and resistance levels. The broker also offers practical tools like margin and pip value calculators, and access to Financial Source for real-time market updates and event tracking. HYCM offers 3 main trading account types: the fixed, classic, and raw accounts, designed to cater to different trading styles and experience levels. The fixed account is ideal for beginners, featuring fixed spreads starting from 1.5 pips, with no commission and accessibility via MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, or their application, with a minimum deposit of just $20. Their classic account suits retail traders, offering variable spreads from 1.2 pips, commission-free trading, and support for expert advisors, also available on MT4, 5, and their mobile app, with the same minimum deposit. For more active or professional traders, the raw account provides raw spreads starting from 0.1 pips with a small commission per trade, full support for expert advisors, and access through MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. In addition, the broker offers VIP accounts for high-volume traders, which include benefits such as dedicated account managers, enhanced spreads, and advanced market analysis. All accounts support multiple base currencies and come with negative balance protection as well as segregated client fund security. The broker offers Islamic swap-free accounts tailored for traders who adhere to Islamic finance principles. These accounts comply with Sharia law by eliminating overnight charges, known as swaps, which are typically associated with holding positions beyond the trading day. It's important to note that while Islamic accounts are designed to be swap-free, HYCM may apply a fixed fee if positions are held open for extended periods, typically beyond 14 days. The broker offers a demo account that allows traders to practice and familiarize themselves with the trading environment without risking real money. The account is funded with virtual funds and mirrors real market conditions. Traders can access popular platforms like MetaTrader 4 and 5 and utilize various trading tools. Demo accounts remain active unless there is no activity for more than 3 months, and they can be reactivated at any time, making them a flexible and efficient way for both beginners and experienced traders to test strategies and gain confidence before trading live. Creating an account with HYCM is a simple and straightforward process. Firstly, what you'll want to do is head over to their homepage, and on their homepage, simply click on the Open an Account button. Next, fill out your information, such as your name, email address, phone number, and create a password. After you have submitted your information and created your HYCM account, you will be redirected to the HYCM client area. Within the client area, you can create live or demo accounts, view deposits and withdrawals, trading tools, promotions, contact support, and much more. What you'll want to do next is create your live trading account, or you can simply open a demo account. Keep in mind that if you are opening a live account, you will need to verify your personal information and create your account application to continue, or you can simply open a demo account. After you have opened your preferred trading account type, the next step would be to download and install your preferred trading platform. In our case, we decided to go with the MetaTrader 4 trading platform. Download and install your preferred trading platform, and then simply log in with your credentials. And as easy as that, we're in. This is the MetaTrader 4 terminal with HYCM. At the top left of the dashboard, you have your market watch. Here you can browse through and switch between all of the broker's available market instruments. In the center of the dashboard, you have your trading chart. At the top of the chart, a variety of chart types, drawing tools, and indicators to help you customize your dashboard according to your preferences. If you are new to trading and are new to any of HYCM's trading platforms, the broker provides a wide variety of helpful educational content to help you get started with understanding the basics of platform functionality and to place your first trade. The broker offers a variety of deposit and withdrawal methods to cater to the diverse needs of its clients. Deposits can be made through debit and credit cards, Skrill, NetTeller, wire transfers, cryptocurrencies, and more. Deposits via debit and credit cards and cryptocurrencies are typically processed within an hour, while wire transfers may take up to 1 to 7 working days. HYCM does not charge fees on deposits, however, third-party fees may apply depending on the payment method used. For withdrawals, HYCM strives to process requests promptly. The processing time varies depending on the payment method and the client's bank. Clients can initiate withdrawals through the same methods used for deposits. HYCM does not charge fees on withdrawals. However, clients should be aware of any fees that may be imposed by their payment providers. To manage deposits and withdrawals, clients can easily access the banking section in their client portal. HYCM's commitment to providing multiple payment options ensures that clients have the flexibility to choose the method that best suits their preferences and needs. HYCM provides a comprehensive suite of educational resources designed to support traders at all levels. Their HYCM Academy offers a structured curriculum covering essential topics such as trading fundamentals, technical and fundamental analysis, as well as sentiment analysis. These courses are tailored for beginners and are available for free, allowing traders to build a solid foundation in Forex trading. For those seeking more in-depth knowledge, HYCM's blog serves as a valuable resource, featuring articles on advanced trading concepts, risk management strategies, and market analysis. This content is particularly beneficial for traders looking to refine their strategies and stay informed about market trends. Additionally, the Broker's Help Center provides a comprehensive knowledge base, addressing common questions and offering insights into various aspects of trading, including leverage, account types, and trading platforms. This resource is ideal for traders seeking quick answers and guidance on specific topics. Together, their educational offerings equip traders with the knowledge and tools necessary to navigate the complexities of the Forex market and enhance their trading skills. The broker also provides traders with a range of news and analysis tools to help make informed trading decisions. As mentioned earlier, their blog offers regular insights on how global events impact markets. The broker also hosts a weekly live market analysis webinar covering key market-moving events, sentiment analysis, and trade planning with a live Q&A for participants, combined with educational resources on technical and fundamental analysis, as well as risk management. Over the years of operation, HYCM has garnered over 25 prestigious awards, underscoring its commitment to excellence in the financial services industry. In 2022, the broker was awarded with the Best Forex Broker in the Middle East and the Best Multi-Regulated Forex and CFD Provider. In 2023, the broker was awarded with the Most Trusted Broker Award, the Best Mobile FX Trading Application, the Best Forex Trading Platform, among many other awards. These recognitions, along with numerous others spanning from 2011 to 2022 across regions like the Middle East, Europe, and Asia, affirm the broker's reputation as a leading and reliable broker in the global trading community. Overall, HYCM stands out as a reputable and versatile broker with over 40 years of experience in the financial markets. Operating under multiple regulatory bodies, HYCM ensures a secure and compliant trading environment for its clients. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments, including Forex, stocks, indices, cryptocurrencies, and commodities, with competitive spreads and leverage options up to 1 to 500. Traders can choose from various account types to suit their individual trading styles and preferences. The broker's commitment to education is evident through its comprehensive academy, providing free courses for traders at all levels. Additionally, the broker's live market analysis webinars and access to third-party tools like Trading Central enhance analytical capabilities. With a minimum deposit requirement starting from $20, HYCM is accessible to both novice and experienced traders. The broker's user-friendly platforms, including MetaTrader 4 and 5, along with its proprietary mobile application, facilitate seamless trading experiences. The broker combines a rich legacy, robust regulatory framework, diverse trading options, and a commitment to trader education, making it a strong choice for traders seeking a reliable and comprehensive trading partner. And that is our overview of HYCM. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with SA Shares now, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.